Hi, this is the OPPO A18 and I'll show you just how to create home screen folders on this device. So we got two ways how we could do that. The first one, you should hold for a while home screen with your finger and after that just select a couple of applications and tap to create folder. And also you could make it by another way, just hold the folder and drag it to another one by this way. If you want to move folders on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold them and drag them. Just to rename the folder, tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, or also you could hold it and tap just to remove icon, but don't worry, you'll remove it only from the folder, but you'll stay with this app on the in the apps menu. And also you could just resize the applications folder. Just hold it, tap to enlarge folder, or to make it smaller, click to shrink. Also you could remove only the folder and stay with all of the applications here on the home screen, or also you could hold it and tap to remove the folder and all of the other applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.